guys. So today we're going to cover elapsed time, and it's right here, and I'm going to do question number 6, tick number 3.7. So the question number 1 says that Teresa left work at 4:15 p.m. and it took her 5 minutes to walk, 19 minutes to ride, and she walked another 11 minutes. So what I did here, I added the right time, the walk time, the right time, and the walk time, and total is 35 minutes. So if you look at this clock here, this is the long hand and this is the shorthand, and long hand is at 15, shorthand is right after 4, so the time is at 4:15. So what we do here, we're going to go around and count 35 minutes. So starting at 3, which is 15, so we're going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So this is if the hour hand, long hand moves to 10, then we will be at 4:50. This question is really easy. You could have done 4:15 and then add 35 minutes, so it will be 4:50. But next questions will be a little bit harder. Let's try number 1. So in this case, we have Sam and his mom. They're at doctor's place, and they are at her office at 2:30 p.m. and they're sitting and waiting, and they see the doctor at 3:10. So how long was the wait time? So if you look at that, starting time was 2:30, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 30 minutes. So if I add 30 minutes, I go to 3 o'clock, and then they were there till 3:10. So that means 10 more minutes. So 30 plus 10 is 40 minutes. So their wait time was 40 minutes. Okay, so let's try question number 2. Question number 2 is talking about the dad has a dinner ready in 35 minutes and it's now 5:30. So what time the dinner will be ready? So it is 5:30. So in 30 more minutes, it'll be 6 p.m. And then since it's 35 minutes ready time, so 5 more minutes, so 5 after 6 will be 6:05 p.m. So his dinner will be ready at 6:05 p.m. Let's go to next question, question number 3. This one is talking about library. Becky meets his friend at library at 12:45. Sorry about that. It takes 25 minutes to get to the library. So what time she will need to leave her house? So now I'm going to work backwards. So I want you to mark here, this is 12, this is 12:30, this is 12:45. So this is 12:45, and I'm going to work backwards. So if I'm going by 15 minutes, so this will be 15 minutes before 12:45. That would be 12:30, and reaching in 25 minutes, so I'm going to subtract 15. So I have 10 more minutes, so I have to go back 10 more minutes from there. So if I go 10 more minutes, so it will be at 12:20. And this question can also be done very easily. If you go 12:45 and subtract 25, you get 12:20. So her meeting time, so she has to leave the house at 12:20 to meet her friend at 12:45. Let's look at question number 4. Ethan's party starts at 4:30 and all the guests leaves at 6:32 p.m. How long did the Ethan party go? So this is going forward. So the time is right now. The party started at 4:30. So I am going to go by 30 minutes increment. So after 30 minutes is 5 p.m. Another 30 minutes 5:30 p.m. Another 30 minutes is 6 p.m. Another 30 minutes 6:30 p.m. So if you think about this, from going from let me take a different color. Going from here to here is 1 hour, because 30 minutes and 30 minutes is 1 hour. And then from going here to here is another 1 hour. So it's total 2 hours. But is his guests leave at 6:32? So here we have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. So the party will take 2 hours and 2 minutes. to end. So I hope you learned elapsed time from this video. I have another video right after this, which probably will talk about a little bit more complicated questions. Hope you enjoyed it, learned it, and subscribe my video, like it, send me a comment.